The Huawei P30 and P30 Pro have finally been announced, and they are very, very hot, and now we have a price tag. We have some renders of the OnePlus 7, and it looks pretty much like the rumors we've seen, and it looks like the iPhone 11 will bring reverse wireless charging and some groundbreaking fast charger out of the box. I'm Jaime Rivera, and the whole plan was to film this at the Huawei event here in Paris, and then I forgot my tripod. This is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today begin with deals. Isn't it interesting how Apple has begun dropping the price tags on everything ever since their stock market has, their plunge in the market has been just, I don't know, $200 off in the case of the Macbook Air, whether you're starting with the entry-level variant now at $999 and up to $1,199 for the 256GB model at Best Buy. You can learn more in the description. I think those are good deals. Now let's talk about smartphone hinges and the reasons why foldables are so expensive. According to Digitimes, it seems that because there are so many moving parts and they need to provide rigidity, that's one of the main reasons why they are so pricey right now. It'll pretty much take up until 2020 for these to drop in price. Obviously, right now they're over $1,000, sometimes $2,000, so yeah, it's probably not a good time to buy. Now let's talk about the iPhone 11. According to some trusted sources, we might be getting two new things here finally, like reverse wireless charging for accessories like the Apple Watch or the AirPods, in addition to an 18-watt charger. Finally, that's not going to be USB-C because this is Apple. Let's see what happens there. Now let's move the spotlight over to the OnePlus 7 as, believe it or not, well, we've got more specifications, we've got more renders, and the rumors remain the same that we're going to get a retractable camera at the top, that we're going to get a triple camera at the back, that this design is going to follow a lot of what we've seen from Vivo and pretty much Oppo lately. I'm really liking the design, but I'm so curious as to what you think. Obviously, specifications are crazy. You can learn more about those in the description as well. And finally, the hottest news today have to do with the Huawei P30 and P30 Pro, which got announced today in Paris. The event was great. Our review unit is already in. Expect some coverage coming very soon, but yeah, specifications are awesome. Obviously, the camera in specifications is great. Obviously, we have to go test it out, but definitely for those of you wondering, the price tag, it starts at $799 and goes all the way up to $1,200 depending on the variant that you get. That was the last portion that was pending over at the hands-on, but let us know in the comments down below, what do you think? Do you like this phone or not? Because in my case, they gave me the red one, so I'm really happy. Leave us a comment down below. We'd love to know your opinion. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to both our channels, English and Spanish, for more videos like this one. You can follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.